Well, this could be funny as hell. Nothing. I think I just found something. First day, new toy. Whoa! Oh shit! Look out, Casey. Whoa! Bella better look out. Don't you eat it. Don't you eat it. Ah. Whoa. Get almighty. Oh, if I ever get that son of a bitch in here, you can't get it now. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Maybe you can make a fly. I sure as hell don't. You gonna talk shit to that thing? Look out! Yay! Don't you break it! No! No! Good boy. No, you can't eat it. Oh, the bird. Oh! 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 No! Hey! Where'd the back part of it go? Did you already eat that? Yeah, you're a fucker. You talk shit, you already killed it. Oh hell. Look, if you first fly, it's gonna go straight up in there. Look out, look out. Whoa! Wait a minute. Casey's gonna love this. Here's the deal. These tiny little damn rods are expensive. I mean, not much, but they are when you're looking for them on the floor for 2 hours after you crash it. In case he wants to eat this bird. Yeah.